Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today we're delving into a captivating and enlightening topic, the science behind sexual attraction, what really sparks her interest. Attraction is a complex and fascinating subject, and in this video, we'll explore the scientific principles and psychological factors that drive sexual attraction. Before we dive into the science, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, so you never miss our intriguing content. Let's get started. Segment 1. The role of pheromones. Let's start with the science of pheromones. Pheromones are chemical signals our bodies release, and they play a significant role in sexual attraction. These odorless chemicals can influence a person's emotions and behaviors, including feelings of sexual attraction. It's a primal way our bodies communicate interest. Segment 2. Symmetry and beauty. Symmetry and physical beauty are scientifically proven to be attractive. Studies have shown that people are naturally drawn to symmetrical faces and well-proportioned bodies. These characteristics are often seen as indicators of good health and genetic fitness. Segment 3. Evolutionary psychology. Evolutionary psychology plays a crucial role in sexual attraction. Many of our preferences are shaped by the need for survival and reproduction. For example, men may be attracted to women who appear fertile, while women may be attracted to men who display qualities like strength and protection. Segment 4. The halo effect. The halo effect is another psychological principle that influences sexual attraction. It's when we perceive attractive people as having other positive qualities. Someone who's physically appealing might be seen as more kind, intelligent, or trustworthy, which can spark interest. Segment 5. Personality traits. Personality traits also play a significant role in sexual attraction. Confidence, a sense of humor, and charisma are often seen as attractive qualities. These traits can create a deeper emotional connection, which is a crucial aspect of attraction. Segment 6. The power of laughter. The science of laughter is fascinating. Laughing together releases feel-good hormones, like oxytocin, which strengthen emotional bonds. Sharing a good laugh can make someone more sexually appealing. Segment 7. The role of touch. The sense of touch is vital in sexual attraction. Physical contact, like hugging, kissing, and even holding hands, triggers the release of oxytocin, which promotes bonding and attraction. These tactile experiences foster a sense of connection and desire. Segment 8. Compatibility and shared interests. Shared interests and compatibility are key factors in attraction. When people have common hobbies, values, or goals, it can lead to a deeper connection and increased attraction. Feeling understood and having similar aspirations can spark genuine interest. Segment 9. Psychological arousal. Psychological arousal, like experiencing thrilling activities together, can trigger increased attraction. This arousal creates an association between the person and the exciting experience. This link can make someone more alluring. Segment 10. The role of gazing. The science of eye contact is profound. Sustained eye contact can create a strong emotional connection and enhance attraction. It's a powerful way to convey interest and intimacy. Segment 11. Emotional connection. Emotional connection is a critical component of sexual attraction. Being able to share and connect on a deep, emotional level is what truly sparks interest. It's the foundation of a meaningful and long-lasting relationship. Segment 12. The impact of scents, or pheromones, are not just about body odor. A person's natural scent can be alluring to another based on genetic compatibility. The right scent can stimulate sexual attraction on a biological level. Segment 13. The dopamine effect. Dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter, plays a big role in sexual attraction. When you're with someone you're attracted to, your brain releases dopamine, creating a rewarding feeling. This reinforces the desire to be with that person. Segment 14. The impact of clothing. Clothing and fashion choices can have a significant impact on attraction. What you wear can influence how attractive someone finds you. Dressing well can boost confidence and make you more appealing. In conclusion, The science behind sexual attraction is a complex interplay of biology, psychology, and personal connection. It's not just about physical appearance, it's about the chemistry between individuals and the emotional bonds they share. Understanding these scientific principles can help you navigate the world of attraction with more insight. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone, and may your relationships be filled with genuine connection, love, and lasting attraction.